What if the town bitch gets in a fight with you over the new hot guy in town, Abe? She whoops your ass, and of course you lose most of your marbles. For months afterwards, all you do is stare at yourself in the mirror. Then you remember a guru you had when you were 14 who told you to kiss yourself in the mirror tenderly every morning for at least 4 hours while reciting sounds from a made-up language that would put you in a complete trance. One day, your landlord comes banging on your door, claiming that he's there to fix the toilet. Well, you know you don't even have a toilet. All he wants is a piece of your hot ass. He bangs again, reminding you of what happened to the last tenant who didn't let him in to fix the toilet. You try to get the door, but you can't move from the mirror because of the intense, powerful pull that overtakes you. How does it feel to let the cosmos work in the mysterious ways that they do?